I'd much rather spend the holidays with Oliver. Going to dances and growing with dreadlocks.
My pressure. Call Dr. Scruffy. I can't take this anymore. Call him right away.
Donna, bring the food.
Is what sort of food?
Chicken. You do eat chicken, don't you?
Well, I'm on don't make the regular practice still, but seeing like how this is a special occasion.
Roast chicken, Oliver.
Irie,
With bacon trimmings.
what sort of trimmings?
Bacon.
Mom, didn't I tell you? No pork.
It isn't pork. It's bacon.
I'm an embarrassed. I'm an ridiculed. I'm an insulted. I'm an...
She was serious. There's bacon strips all over the chicken. Oliver, you just have to eat the vegetables. Here.
Sauce of vegetable?
Oliver, the chicken is contaminated with pork.